Payoneer and Wise, two global giants in online payments. One crucial question: which one actually comes out on top for you? On the left, Payoneer, the global payments powerhouse trusted by freelancers and businesses. And on the right, Wise, the transparent and lightning-fast money platform. Let's move past the headlines and see what really matters to your wallet. Each category gets points, and at the end, you'll know exactly which service truly leads. The winner? You might be surprised. Here's how we're going to break things down. First, we'll go over fees and exchange rates. Then take a look at speed, check out integration and ecosystem, go through features, evaluate security and compliance, see who these services are really for under ideal users, and finally, talk about customer support. Buckle up, because it's going to be a wild ride through the world of international money. Let's kick things off with fees and exchange rates. So, Payoneer, not gonna lie, it looks decent at first. You get free transfers between Payoneer accounts, and hey, no hidden fees. But here's the catch. Some transfers come with fees up to 6.2%. And there's this 3% markup when you're converting currency. Oh, and if you don't hit that $2,000 mark for the year, they might just sneak in an annual account fee. Yeah, not my fave. Now, Wise steps in, and honestly, this is impressive. They use the actual mid-market exchange rate, so there's no weird markup, and their fees pretty much fixed, and usually around 1.6 to 1.8%. It's all right there on the screen, super transparent. There are some little fees for receiving certain currencies, and a couple extras in some locations, but overall, Wise just kind of crushes it here. Yeah, Wise totally takes it for this round. On to speed, because seriously, who likes waiting around for their money? Payoneer's got your back if you're sending money between Payoneer users. That's fast, I'll give them that. But if you're pulling out cash to your bank, plan on waiting anywhere from 2 to 5 business days. Not exactly instant noodles, right? Wise, though, oh man, a lot of their transfers are done in under 24 hours, and in some places, you'll even see instant transfers. It's kind of wild. Of course, if you're sending to a less common route, there might still be a day or two delay, but overall, Wise just zooms past here. No contest. Now let's talk integration and ecosystem. This is where Payoneer really flexes. If you're working with Amazon, Upwork, Fiverr, Shopify, all those marketplaces, Payoneer plugs right in. They even throw in invoicing and a bunch of marketplace tools. But heads up, their stuff is a little limited if you step outside the marketplace world. Wise? They've got basics like integration with Xero and QuickBooks, which is nice, but not nearly as deep. There's none of this direct marketplace payout magic. So for this one, Payoneer clearly wins. It's like they just know their audience. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Together, Payoneer and Wise moved over 50 billion, that's billion with a B, dollars in cross-border payments just last year. I mean, can you even imagine that? It's wild what these platforms are handling behind the scenes. Next up, features. And honestly, both are pretty stacked, but let's see which one gives you more bang for your buck. Payoneer is rolling out with multi-currency receiving accounts. Like you want USD, Euro, GBP, whatever, they've got you. They toss in a prepaid MasterCard too, which is huge if you're working globally. Need to send out a ton of payments or chase clients with reminders? Yep, it does that. It even has these advanced reporting and mass payout tools that are just chef's kiss for businesses. Downsides? Yeah, the interface can be a little overcomplicated if you're new. Wise jumps in with the ability to hold, convert, and manage over 50 currencies. And you can spend with their debit card in, get this, over 150 countries. The user dashboard? Super clean and simple, which I love. But they're a bit lighter on those business bells and whistles, like bulk payouts or pro invoicing. So Payoneer's feature set is just more. It's the winner here. Let's talk security and compliance, because nobody wants their funds going on vacation without permission, right? Both Payoneer and Wise are regulated basically everywhere you'd expect: US, Europe, Asia. Both push for business verification, two-factor authentication, strong encryption, the works. Honestly, on this one, it's a no-brainer tie. Both are buttoned up tight. Moving on to ideal users. So, Payoneer is kind of a dream if you're a freelancer or a marketplace seller doing volume. It's built to handle those big, regular payouts and B2B action. If you're just sending money once in a blue moon, you might not get the best deal. Wise, on the other hand, super friendly for anyone from small businesses to solo remote workers who want great rates and fast, reliable service. But if you're managing like 500 payouts at once, it's not as tailored for that heavy automation. Honestly, both serve their niche really well. Gotta call it a tie. And finally, customer support. Payoneer's packing a pretty robust help center that speaks over 35 languages. But, and this is important, you'll see mixed reviews. Sometimes responses get pretty slow when things get busy. Wise's support is usually speedy through email and chat, but, fun fact, they don't have India-based support, which could be a bummer if that's important for you. But overall, nothing really stands out above the other. So, another tie. Now, let's throw all those scores on a chart and see where things land visually. You can see Wise totally dominates on cost and speed. But Payoneer's ecosystem and business tools really stand out. For security and support, it's neck and neck with both platforms, keeping things tight. So, bottom line, here's my take. If you're all about managing business, want rock-solid marketplace integrations, and live in the world of bulk payments, Payoneer just makes sense. But if you're chasing the best transfer rates, want to move money fast, and love transparency, Wise is hard to beat. It's honestly about your needs. But I think Wise edges a win on everyday speed and fees. Still can't decide? Or have another platform you want in the ring? Drop your picks, your questions, whatever, in the comments, and let's get the next head-to-head showdown started. I read everything you guys